brown color. Now let's color it. It's so amazing. I enjoy it. Now let's choose black color. It's done. How cool it's look. Now let's color in this house. Firstly choose red color. Let's start coloring. It's so cool. I choose red because I loved it. I tried to make a combination of red or yellow. Now choose yellow color. Not this one, but choose this yellow color. Now choose black color. Where is black color? Finally, I found it. Let's choose brown color. Now let's choose green color. It's done. How good it's look.